Now this video I'm doing is putting shaving cream on your keyboard. This is not the way how to clean your keyboard off your computer. So if you clean your keyboard with shaving cream, it's not going to work. This is not how to do it, to clean your keyboard. It's all the shaving cream, cheap shaving cream. So if you want to scribe on there, go ahead. That's not how you clean your keyboard. That's right, so yep, put it all over the keyboard. This is the keyboard I found in the front yard chuck out. This is how you do it. That's not how you clean keyboards. Thanks for watching this video and have a good day. And plus I'll just cover up the keyboard with the shaving cream, the back of the keyboard. This is how you do it. Yep, it's all over the instruction board. So thanks for watching this video, and that's not how to clean your keyboard with shaving cream. Your keyboard will be stuffed and that's it. That's not how to do it. That's how you fuck your keyboard up. Thanks for watching.